Welcome back, dear students. So in my first video I explained you about the lesson number 3, history, Nazism and the rise of Hitler. In first part only I explained you about the First World War between the Allies and Axis powers. Then I explained you that earlier in the war itself, the Germany country in 1914, when the war started only, Germany was defeating the Allies powers, but when USA joined the power and in 1918 only, Germany was defeated. So after the defeat only, the First World War was when it was over and it was won by Allies, and Germany and Central powers were defeated. The Germany was levied with high war casualties, and the USSR or USA and the Allies powers, we should say, the Allied powers, they just levied high taxes or high war revenues on the Germany. In after that only the Republic, Weimar Republic, came into existence. So the war effect, I explained you the political and social impact was there. Weimar Republic was being made to pay the sin of the old empire. Means whatever the uh, war defeat, due to the defeat in the war, Germany was forced to pay the losses of the war to other countries, and many part of the Germany were taken away from Germany itself. Earlier in the war itself, in 1914 only, Germany was able to control, occupy France and Belgium, but then in 1918 it was taken back. Even the Germany part was also taken back. So the year of depression also I explained you. The year of depression was there when the industrial production reduced to 40%. Actually, the war was over, so the industries which were just producing the goods for the war, they were of no use now. So the production stopped, and many of the workers lost their jobs. 13 millions have sold in one day. So the jobs were this much, and the loss of the jobs and the industries were also sold out. And then the people lost confidence in parliamentary system. Actually, the introduction of the Weimar Republic itself means the introduction of the parliamentary government. Means they all were given vote to elect their representatives and their leaders, but the government was not, I mean the people were not happy with the government, with the parliamentary government. So uh, the government, parliamentary government was over, and then came Hitler into existence. So Hitler rise to power is the next heading, which is the important for this video. So they have given the description of Hitler only. First of all, that he was born in Austria, and Germany defeat humiliated him. He has seen the defeat of Germany during the First World War, and he himself feel humiliated. मतलब उसको ऐसा खुद को लग रहा था कि बहुत ज़्यादा नुकसान हुआ है मेरे देश को, और मेरा भी उसमें नुकसान है. सो ही फॉर्म्ड नाजी पार्टी. हिटलर ने एक नाजी पार्टी बनाई. एक्चुअली हिटलर वॉज एन आर्मी ऑफिसर ओनली. और फिर उसको जब लग रहा है कि हम बहुत सारी जो वॉर की जो ज़रूरतें थी, वॉर की जो जो कमियां हुई, जो बाकी की कंट्रीज़ को, उन सब का बर्डन जर्मनी को ही उठाना पड़ा. तो ही वॉज लिटिल शॉक्ड, और उसमें उसने नाजी पार्टी बनाई. ही जस्ट वांट टू ट्रांसफॉर्म द सिस्टम ऑफ जर्मनी, एंड ही प्रॉमिस टू बिल्ड स्ट्रॉन्ग नेशन. वो ट्रांसफ़र भी करना चाह रहा था, ट्रांसफॉर्म करना चाह रहा था पूरे देश को, और वो सबसे उसने प्रॉमिस किया कि दैट आई एम गोइंग टू मेक माई कंट्री द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट वन, undo the injustice of Versailles Treaty. So the Versailles Treaty, which was done after the First World War, and in that treaty only, Germany has to lose many of its gold and coal and iron reserves. उनको उनके जो reserves थे आयरन और कोल के, वो उनसे छिन गए थे क्योंकि उनको वॉर की सारी चीज़ों को पे करना था. सो वो वही इस इनजस्टिस को ही वो सोच रहा था कि ये जो वर्साइल ट्रीटी में उसको उनको साइन करना पड़ा जर्मनी को, ही इज़ गोइंग टू टेक रिवेंज ऑफ दैट. सो ही प्रॉमिस्ड एम्प्लॉयमेंट टू यूथ ऑल्सो. उसने ये भी प्रॉमिस किया कि वो यूथ को, जो जितने भी नौजवान हैं उनको एम्प्लॉयमेंट देगा. नाजी skillfully projected him मसीहा. So he appeared himself and his party, Nazi party, as a Messiah, as a god to the people of Germany, that they are going to save the country now. So this much I'm explaining you. The next thing will be Nazi worldview, how he tried to make the nation strong, what steps were being benefiting the Germany nation, and what was being, actually he was thinking that these steps will also be benefiting to Germany, but actually they didn't. So what were they? All these will be explained to you in my next video of this chapter.